Hello guys, in this short video I need also to deploy the SSMS on Victoria PC1, and also I need to update it because in time you will get a new update, so definitely you need to update it. Now on this machine, just start with the installation, loading package, and at the same time in SQL logged in. From there, from tools, we have check for updates, and the system here does tell me like this is the version installed and we have a new version, so please yes updated. Make sure automatically check for updates. All the time we try to simulate what's really available in real life. So here now we have this version, the latest version available. So you just need to download it and then you need to run it to update. This is the newer version, which is for November. I just downloaded the old version. For you anyway, I am going to fix the link. So I will make sure the link in the document is the link for this version, which is 18.4. So you won't need to update it after that. For me now, I download it, save, and I need to copy the link for you and fix the document, which you can download it to access to the link. But it depends on the time you enroll to this course. Check what is the recent version. You enroll, maybe it is version 19 even, who knows. Okay then? Okay, so I got the new package on SQL 2019 box. Double click on it. Logged in as administrator. All good, welcome, click install to begin and install. Now for Victoria PC1, the old version installed. I just need to restart now Victoria PC1. 2019 here we upgrade the version now to 18.4. So now the update is done, completed on SQL Server box, close. I don't expect need to restart. Anyway, we need to check that. But before it, in Victoria PC1 also, this is the new package, and I will upgrade the current package to 18.4. Yes. Then I jump back to SQL and try to check. So here we want to install in this version. Just try quickly from Microsoft SQL Server tool, access to SQL Server Management, and we will see if we can access or we have a problem. SQL Server Management Studio 2019A. Here I have the instance. We try to connect, see if we can connect successfully or we have a problem. And it looks like we don't have any problem being connected. If I access to help, about, tells me now this is 18.4, all good. And Victoria PC1, we're waiting for the new update also to be in there. Setup completed, and for the first time let us check if we can use it to access now from Victoria PC1 to the instance on SQL 2019. So here we have Microsoft SQL Server Management, click on it. Now, because we try to access remotely, here the system tried to detect if there is a SQL instance on this device. We don't have any on Victoria PC1. Now we need to provide a server name, and our server name is SQL 2019A. As database engine, we try to use Windows Authentication, GCyber Administrator, try to connect. And the system give me back this expected message, access is denied. It tells you like verify that the instance name is correct, and that SQL server is configured to allow remote connection, which is currently not available. I fixed the name because before, when I start the connection, the name was wrong. So I just fix it and try to connect again. And again, I get this message, but this time as access is denied. But I know now the instance of SQL Management Studio is running on this device successfully. Now, if I want to give permission for this device to access to the instance on SQL 2019A, I need first to fix it by using SMSS locally on this device to allow remote access from another devices. By this, we had learned how to update the instances of SMSS, and also we have learned that currently by default we cannot access remotely even if we have the right authentication. Some work need to be achieved first. That's all what we have in this video. Thanks for watching.